Hey, it's Alex Mine with Mother Trucker News. I had a lot of subscribers ask me about this Walmart situation and are they really paying up to $110,000? Now, if you read the fine print, they are actually paying anywhere from $95,000 to $110,000.
The retailer says its truck drivers will now make between $95,000 and $110,000 in their first year.
Which doesn't sound that bad. Just for your information, not a Walmart recruiter, just here to give you information when subscribers ask. I tried to deliver on that and give you more info. So basically, there's something new that just came up and it was just released. Walmart expands associate to driver program for private fleet. So people that want to work for Walmart, basically in the past would have to have at least 30 months of tractor trailer experience, which is pretty much 2.5 years. So this money sounds good, but how's it going to help you if you have no experience at all? Well, they have this new associate program, and basically what they're saying is the vice president of private fleets for Walmart says, hey, you don't need any experience anymore. All you have to do is work for Walmart. You know, they're rolling this out right now just to the warehouses in Texas and Delaware.
It's also starting a program where employees can earn a commercial driver's license and join Walmart's fleet. It will cover the cost of earning the license, which can run you between $4,000 and $5,000. The program will initially only be open to supply chain workers near the two training locations in Texas and Delaware. But in the future, Walmart employees will be able to apply for the program across the board.
But in the future, they're going to roll this out to all of their associates. So, you know, if your game plan is to make some decent money trucking and you want a game plan or a blueprint, well, you could go and apply, make minimum wage at Walmart, and then have Walmart pay for you to go to truck school, and then you can start making $95,000 to $110,000. Now, disclaimer here, cameras will be facing everywhere. You're going to be in uniform. Yes, you're going to be slip seating, meaning you're going to not have your own truck. There's a whole bunch of rules, so there's a lot of negatives that come with that as well. But if you do not care, you care only about making that money, bringing home that bread to mama, then hey, this is something that in the future might work out. Go apply for a minimum wage job at Walmart and then get yourself a $95,000 to $110,000 job. Now, again, so far they're just piloting this program at their warehouses in Texas and Delaware. But very soon, it's going to go out to all associates. So, Mother Truckers, comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts about this are. Definitely, Walmart is always chewing up the competition and eating up owner-operators. And so just know that this is big capital conglomerates here. And all I got to say is they want to eat up the mom and pops. So, I don't know how you feel about that, but definitely comment down below.